Hey guys, it's Kugligam with another video, and guess what? I'm back. I've been gone for a while. Many of you guys know you have messaged me, you have told me why and where. I'm very sorry I couldn't reply back to you guys because, well, I've been busy. I've been working. So anyways, I'm back now. And well, this is going to be not just an announcement of that I'm back. I got a new toy to play around with. And that is, let's see, yeah, this guy. This guy. I hope what this guy is, I hope you understand what this guy is the Samsung Galaxy S3 Frontier, which I have been thinking about buying for a really long time. So, I'm gonna give you guys an unboxing of this one because I still don't have it out of the wrapper yet because I just bought it, I just got home, I want to play around with it, I haven't had the chance to do that. So, without much further ado, here it is. Here is the Galaxy or the Gear S3 Frontier Edition, which is this one. I'm hoping this one comes with a cradle for me to, this thing, yeah, as you can see it is still sealed. So, if something like rocks comes out of it, you know that I bought this one and rocks came out of it. Okay, now it's open on one side. Yes, and there it is. This is the Galaxy S3 Frontier Edition. Here is the watch. Let me just keep that aside for now. Let me stay there. And here is the rest of the stuff. I believe this is going to be, okay, this is the charging cradle or whatever thingamajig. Okay, what all goodies do we have inside? There is a strap. It's a small strap for those with dainty hands. I hope I don't fall into that category. Anyways, we'll just see that. There's something else. There's a quick start guide, which is cool. Let's see what it has. Okay, quick start guide, warranty card, and in some other language which I don't understand, don't care. So yeah, I'll be getting into these ones soon. It comes with a cradle. It has this thing also, which is the charger. Oh my god, it's got the UK plug. That's gonna be bad, but yeah, that's okay. I'll get it done. So yeah, there you have it. I'm not gonna turn this on right now because I have things to do with it before I do. I'll stay in touch with you guys and I'll let you know how this goes because this is probably my first experience, I mean hands-on real world experience with the Galaxy the S3 Frontier, because I've been eyeing this for a long time, and I know the S4 or the Gear S4 is out, and but that just makes this one that much more enticing for me because it is cheaper. So yeah, I'm a cheap bastard. I like that. I would want to have it any other way. So there you have it, guys. That is it about this unboxing. And hey, the main thing is I'm back. I'm gonna get back into ROM reviews relatively soon. I don't know how the situation is right now for the OnePlus 3. The OnePlus 3 does seem to have a lot of ROMs. Most of them are players from the old world, from the Nougat and Oreo days. But hey, Pi is out, and Pi has been making a big splash. So I will be trying out Pi. I haven't really used Pi even once, so I do need some time for that. Hopefully it'll be done soon. And yeah, I guess how much is it about this video then. Hope you guys like this. I like the video. See you guys later. Bye.